thing it don't come with is the Q-tip.
Maybe you should contact Silent Stop and tell them to add a Q-tip in every ball.
Heck yeah, and we call this method right here the 007. Hopefully y'all know what that means. So what you're gonna do, instead of putting it on your finger and getting it all up there, just take your Q-tip, put some up there, and you want to lubricate the part right inside there where the brake pad slides at, on all four. Alright, so let's get that done and we'll be right back. Make sure you do not get none of this on your rotor, just up here. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright guys, the next thing we're going to do is got our new brake pads. All four brake pads are the same, so just grab you two. Now another reason why I like these, this is an anti-squeal shim right here. Silent Stop. Yeah buddy. Alright.